Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah. Today I'm doing the coolant hoses at the front end of the 997. So I have to drop down the front end there and support it on the side there. Now I've got to replace all the coolant hoses, put it back together and build it up, and then build the whole cradle back up. And the car's got to go for wheel alignment as well for the front, because every time you remove the front end you got to do the adjustment as well, the wheel alignment. And I had to get actually had to buy a tool. I'll show you what the tool is. It's called M18 by 1.5 mil pitch, to actually clean all this, because this was seized in here. All the O2 sensors were seized in there. So look at that, I had to actually heat it up and hit it off with the actual hammer to rotate it, because the whole thing was seized inside there. And I bought that tool so I can clean the thread, but some of the threads are a bit stuffed, like that one there, from taking it out, because it's all rusted inside there, really hard to take off. So I got to use that tool to clean the thread so I can actually reuse those O2 sensors on the actual on this exhaust here, because they're pretty expensive to buy one. So take longer. This car took longer than actually we expected, but that's just how it is when you have a car from the UK. They rust all the time underneath, and then it's not the first time I've done one, but I just saw it and I knew straight away it's going to take longer. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Actually, sorry, I'll show you the exhaust. That's the exhaust now, so once I finish that, repair the O2 sensors, fit it back together and go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.